Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So through this video, I will like to show you the amazing way that you can get with your keyboard on iPhone. So if you are learning about other languages and you are still not sure about the spelling of the word, you can just use this feature. The name of the feature is spelling check or check spelling. So here I already have the keyboard in English, so I want to type like type. But then you'll see I'm not sure how the way I do the typing, so I need some guidance. So to do that, you just need to go back into your home screen, and right after that you just need to open your settings. And whenever you open it, you just need to like scrolling down until you find the general, and now you just need to like scrolling down again until you found keyboard. And you just need to take a look on the third boxes. There will be several options here. And one of them called the check spelling, so you just need to turn on by click this button until the color is changed. And I will also suggest you to activate this predictive text too. And now let's check either it does work or not. Go back into your home screen and you just need to try to type something. So let's say here I will let to, okay, my bad, I think I will let to open the notes instead. And I want to start typing the type, and it will also pop up here the correct spelling as well as the recommendations of the words or predictions of the words. So you just need to click them. So that is the way, guys, how to activate the spelling check and predictive text on keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.